In this video, we'll show you how to print, assemble, and fly our latest design, the Skyward, a 1.5 meter, fully 3D printed RC model. The Skyward's airframe uses a hybrid design, combining PLA, lightweight PLA, and carbon fiber to achieve an excellent strength-to-weight ratio. The central and front sections of the fuselage are printed in PLA+, providing the extra rigidity needed for high-stress areas, such as the landing gear attachment. Most of the remaining structure is printed with lightweight PLA. Thanks to its active foaming properties, LW-PLA helps us reach the right wing loading while keeping the model light. The parts are designed in spiral vase mode, allowing for maximum print quality with minimal print time. In our drawing, you will find the specific setting recommendation for each part. Let's start assembling the wing. The male-female connection system makes it very easy to join the parts. Using an activator to instantly dry the glue isn't mandatory, but it's highly recommended. There's no need to glue the carbon fiber tubes to the wing. It's time to bring the fuselage together. It's important to apply plenty of glue to the carbon fiber rods. This ensures the loads are properly transferred. The tires are part of the shock absorption system. Be sure to follow our recommended settings to achieve the right amount of flexibility. For reinforcing the main landing gear, you can choose between a steel rod or a carbon fiber rod. We recommend steel because in the case of a hard landing, steel will bend instead of breaking. To keep the axle in place, you can either use a glued collar nut or an M2 screw. Now is a great time to start painting. Since LW-PLA doesn't adhere well to stickers or regular tape, we recommend using high-quality duct tape instead. Apply the paint in thin layers. This not only keeps the weight down, but also helps prevent paint from leaking under the tape. This is an alternative nose landing gear option that uses TPU for shock absorption. While it offers shorter suspension travel, it provides greater durability in return. Make sure to follow this order when installing the elevator. This is a case where CA accelerator really helps. If the glue dries too slowly, it can get inside and block the mechanism. Secure all electronic components using Velcro. The final step is adding the stickers. We provide the design and vector format for easy printing. If the stickers don't adhere well to lightweight PLA, A simple trick is to add a small drop of glue to the corners. Every test, every printed part has taught us something. Today, our plane takes flight. And you can make it yours too. Print it, assemble it, and take your creation to new heights.